Okay, so hello guys, I'm Anushri Chauhan from XIMB BM batch of 23-25 and I got an opportunity to intern with Tata Steel. Now coming to the best part. So the alumni committee of XIMB, ALCOM, they gave me a chance to connect to Mr. Asit Kumar Mohanty, an alumnus of XIMB through Ex-Alma program. Asit sir works in Tata Steel. He is an alum of 2009-11 batch and he is head of marketing of automotive OEMS segment of Tata Steel.
So first question, how has having a mentor from Ex-Alma impacted your academic or professional journey?
So coming from a science background with no corporate experience, I was a bit apprehensive about this transition, and in that case having a mentor who belongs from the same college from where I am and working in the same organization, helping me throughout my journey, it was a blessing for me.
Next question, what does it mean to you to be connected with Ex-Alma through your mentor?
So being connected with Ex-Alma through my mentor feels like being a part of a strong legacy, knowing that I can tap into their knowledge and experience to guide my career. This connection also gives me a sense of belonging and pride in being linked to a respected network.
What's the most valuable thing you have gained from your mentorship experience?
So the most valuable experience that I have gained from my mentorship experience is confidence. Knowing that Asit sir belongs from the same college from where I am, is XIMB, and working in the same organization from so long, it also gives me a homely feel at the organization where I was interning, and also a faith that he will be guiding me throughout my career.
We'll go to the next question. What advice would you give to future students about making the most out of this mentorship?
So my advice to the future student is to be proactive throughout their mentorship experience. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek feedback and be open to learning from your mentor experiences. Also take the time to reflect on the advices given by your mentor and apply it on your own experiences, own journey. Also remember that mentorship is a two-way street. Be engaged and appreciate and make the most out of this opportunity.
Any advice you would like to give the future batch? Something which was missing, which was not given to you, but if you pass that on, that would be helpful.
So there was no any such thing which was missing. But one thing I would advise to your whole batch, that everyone should participate in this Ex-Alma program, because with this you get an opportunity to connect with the alums who are at very respected positions in very respected organizations. So it's a very good opportunity to make your connections stronger. So do participate.